Rahmatullahi Barakatuh. My name is Khadija and I would like to do a hijab tutorial. Before I do, I'd like to give a shout out to all the sisters from the United States and abroad that have taken time out of their busy schedule to make a hijab tutorial. Y'all have done a fabulous job and may Allah reward you. Okay, we're going to get started off with the scarf right here. I'm going to take it and I'm going to tie it in a bun, like so. I'm going to twist it around, like this. Around right there, and I'm gonna get a pin right here, and I'm gonna tie it in the back. Down the back like this. Alright, there we go. Next, we're going to put on the scarf. I have two scarves I'd like to share with you. I'm gonna start with one. First one, obviously. This one right here. One of my favorites. It's lime green. Real pretty, very colorful. Just put it on your head like this. Well, or you can do it like this. I prefer to do it this way. Do it like this. Take your pen and do like that. Put it across it, pin it. And I like to turn my scarf this way so I have that triangle effect. Cross it like this. Cross it like that. Right there. And take my scarf, this part right here, flip it over, and I like to do it this way. Make sure that right here, your borders are showing right on top of your head like this. I don't know if you saw that. I hope you did. Okay, so do that. Move across here like that. And if you're like one of those sisters like me, like to wear pins, these, and on your head, like, try not to stick yourself in the head if possible, and like this. And let's see if I got it here right. Okay, here we go. Finish the look. Put it across here like this, and that's one style. I think that looks really nice. So it brings out to the colors. Okay, that looks really nice. And I have another one that's really, really nice. Hope sisters like them. I just bought this a couple of months ago. It's real cute. You can wear on your parties, or you can wear it at the Eid, or wherever you like to wear it. There we go. I think it's really cute. Always when I went to the convention, well, I'm doing like this. Alright, so like this. And like this. And I like to put that scarf on my neck like this. Like this. Take this one, the scarf here, it's real cute, and just put it across it like this. I think I did it too much fabric. We'll try it again. I didn't put too much fabric over there because I have more on that side. I'll do the other. Let's try this again. Alright, let's do it this one. This. There we go. Much better, much better. Just go this way. The ears. Now I got a lot of fabric on that side. Just take the scarf. Across here. Across there. Here's the same one. And finished products right there. Here we go. I'll be posting some more. This is my very first one. When there was a little shot, a little nervous, that's why I probably didn't talk all that much. But as we progress, I'll be sending some more. Hope you like it. Alright. Yeah, have a good evening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.